Walking onto the ship and getting to our room was a pleasant and easy experience. We found champagne waiting for us in our room upon our arrival. A lovely touch to a lovely room. We greatly enjoyed it as we got ready to sail away.
Let's start off by taking a look around our room. These are really large rooms with much more space than your average cruise, with living, bathroom, and storage space being so much more spacious than what we have ever experienced on any other cruise line. Nice furnishings and finish can be found everywhere you look. The thermostat in here is even a little extra, with a touch screen with multiple modes and settings, but you could also control the entire room from this pad. Now let's make our way to the closet. Yep, you heard me right. This room even has a functional walk-in closet. Because I don't know about you, but I always need a little extra space for clothes, shoes, and everything else. And on a trip this amazing, you want to have that outfit that makes you feel just right. This closet did not disappoint. Solid aesthetics and functional space are always a plus for us. Now on to the patio. We're still at dock, so the view is not extraordinary, but you can tell when things get kicked off, this is going to be a really nice place to have a cold one. We ended up spending more time out here than I care to admit. The patio has to be one of our favorite little extras.
Back inside the room, we can see it comes with a well-sized TV, a touchscreen command center, a phone, and of course your own personal mini fridge, which was kept stocked with our choice of drinks, beer, and wine. On any other cruise, that would definitely be paid extras. We found the rooms to have more than ample storage with the closet and many sets of drawers and cubbies to keep our things organized and at the ready for whatever you have planned aboard. The bathroom this room came with was more than luxurious. This may have been our second favorite part of the room. We will say these cruises are about 3 times the cost of the standard Disney cruise, but keep in mind when comparing, this is a door-to-door experience. That meaning it includes being picked up from your home, your flights, all transfers, pre-cruise hotel, your alcohol on board, your excursions, and the train ride from Seward to Anchorage, and your return back home. But what you get for the price is really impressive given the other experiences we have had.